Today, we will talk about subject and predicate. Let's look at these sentences. Reena walks in the park. She takes a friend with her. Are climbing a tree. Do you think are climbing a tree is a complete sentence with a complete meaning? Doesn't this make more sense? Reena and her friend are climbing a tree. Why is that so? Let's check. Every complete sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. The subject is what or who the sentence is about, while the predicate tells something about the subject. Who or what is the subject, and that includes nouns and pronouns. What about? That's the predicate, and predicates include verbs. There is a subject and a predicate in a sentence. The hero rescued the crowd. The hero is the subject. Who is being talked about in the sentence? The hero. So, the hero is the subject. What is the sentence about? It is about rescued the crowd. So, it is a predicate. Now, let's go back to the sentences which we had started with. Reena walks in the park. Reena is the subject. Walks in the park is the predicate. She takes a friend along with her. She is the subject. Takes a friend along with her is the predicate. Reena and her friend. Now, Reena and her friend both are subjects because both are the nouns. Climb a tree is the predicate. Climb is the verb and that includes in the predicate. Let's do it again. Alice reads a book every night. How will you find the subject and the predicate? First, find the verb and then make a question by placing who or what before it. So, what's the verb here? Yes, reads is the verb here. Now place who or what before the verb, that is reads. Who reads? Alice reads. So, the subject is Alice. Now let's find out the predicate. Alice reads a book every night. Now ask a question. What does Alice do? Alice reads a book every night. So the answer is the predicate. Reads a book every night is the predicate in the sentence. Now that you have learnt about the subject and predicate, try out this exercise. Find out the subject in each sentence given below. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. What do you think is the subject in this sentence? Yes, Humpty Dumpty is the subject in the sentence. Let's try the next one. Alice followed the white rabbit into the rabbit hole. Find out the subject. Yes, Alice is the subject in the sentence. Let's look at the third sentence. My elder sister is preparing for an exam. What do you think is the subject here? Right. My elder sister is the subject here. Let's go to the next sentence now. Our neighbors bought a new car. You are right. Our neighbors is the subject in this sentence. So all of these are the subjects because these are the nouns in the sentences. Let's go to the next exercise. Find out the predicate in each sentence given below. You have to find out the predicate in each of these sentences. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. What do you think is the predicate here? Yes, sat on a wall is the predicate in this sentence. Alice followed the white rabbit into the rabbit hole. What do you think is the predicate here? Right. Followed the white rabbit into the rabbit hole is the predicate in the sentence. Let's go to the third one. My elder sister is preparing for an exam. You are right. Is preparing for an exam is the predicate here. Let's go to the fourth sentence. Our neighbors bought a new car. What do you think is the predicate here? Correct. Bought a new car is the predicate in the sentence. So all of these are the predicates in the sentences. They talk about the subject in all of these sentences. Always remember, a complete sentence has a subject and a predicate in it. I hope you have understood the subject and predicate. Thank you. All of you stay safe and stay healthy.